development. First, Davis line. Landform is the function of structure, process and time. And Gregory, landform is the function of process, geomaterial and changes through time. And then I said that thereafter the line is there. The rate of upliftment is by the endogenetic forces. Landform is affected by who? Rate of upliftment done by endogenetic forces and rate of degradation done by the exogenetic forces, weathering and erosion. Understood? Now there are some views are there. If I am talking about landform refers to three-dimensional morphological features on the Earth's surface characterized by shape, size and dimension, which are basically the product of endogenetic and exogenetic forces and or we can say slopes or combination of slopes. If you have seen that landform actually में कैसा है? What is the three-dimensional or two-dimensional? Three-dimensional. It has some shape, it has some size and it has some dimension. और dimension shape size में कहीं पे x axis will be more, somewhere y axis will be more, somewhere z axis will be more. Yes or not? So these are the kind, this way different kind of dimensions it will be able to give us shape, size and dimensions. So I said that landform refers to the three-dimensional structure on the Earth's surface. It is a morphological feature, morphology on the Earth's surface having shape, size and dimensions, and which are, I said that, basically controlled by the what? Or product of what? Endogenetic and exogenetic force as the older view, or the slopes or combination of slopes. If the plate is like this and thereafter like this, so it is considered as a rectilinear slope. So there will be some combination of it is I said that there will be a rectilinear, somewhere it is a convex, somewhere concave, convex concavo, somewhere rectilinear, somewhere plane. So over the period when the mountain is uplifting, I said that mountain is uplifting, it is trying to become rectilinear, and then when I said that exogenetic force started becoming more, it started converting convex. And the youth stage and the mature stage and the old stage में different kind of structure. Yes or not? So he said that वही चीज आज के डेट में हम लोग जो पढ़ रहे हैं, हमें slopes पढ़ लें तो हमें बता देंगे कि ये किस स्टेज में कैसे है, कब बन सकता है. Convex, concave, rectilinear. So present modern view says that slopes or combination of, so the landform is in a three-dimensional feature having different shapes, different size, different, I said, the dimensions, and they are the product of modern view slopes or combination of slopes. Understood? And older view, it is in a product of endogenetic force, and दोनों ही सही हैं. Both are connected, we cannot deny. But the reason one, it is in a modern view, another reason I said that. समझ में आ गया? And I said that thus landform are the manifestation of various slopes and determined by geomorphic forces acting on them and geomaterial structure. So various slopes का मतलब क्या है? It is done by endogenetic forces and exogenetic forces itself, on which geomaterials, और geomaterial word को किसने यूज किया था? ग्रेगोरी ने. याद रखेंगे ये लाइन को, कि यूपीएससी में लिखना जरूरी है और वो याद रहना लाइन जरूरी है. And this line should be, as I said that these are the lines. और जो आप लोगों ने लास्ट 3 days से पढ़ा, ये सारा आज आपको हेल्प करेगा. फर्स्ट वेदरिंग, इरोजन एंड ऑल. I said that or factors controlling, there are, we have 10 factors are there, and these are the 10 factors. याद रहेगा? नहीं, जब तक मैं हूं तो याद हो जाए. SC, पहले क्या मैंने बोला है? SC ST. What I said that, क्योंकि वहां पे लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. When you have a facts, then you can be able to write. I said that SC ST are right now on the top. SC ST are right on the top and having gravity. Yes, है कि नहीं? SC ST are right on the top and having, I said that, gravity. अब गवर्नमेंट क्या दे रही है उनको? रिजर्वेशन दे रही है, so that they can come into the what is the mainstream the society. And if there are, I said that, feeling of untouchability, उनको untouchability article 17 is providing SC को. ST क्या है? What is the, tell me, what is the definition of tribe? What is the definition of tribe? Yes? Shyness in the contact. They are very shy in making contact and ready to accept changes. तो उनको मेन स्ट्रीम ऑफ द सोसाइटी में लेकर आना है. Yes or not? These are the group of people living in a particular geographical region and having what it is, not living in the mainstream of the society, having a unique identification, unique feature, unique. I said that everything is the unique for them. Living in the what is in the forest areas, in the plateaus, which is very what I said that harsh areas, and having a different language. तो सभी चीजों में यूनिकनेस है, उनको मेन स्ट्रीम में सोसाइटी में लाना है. दैट इज एन ट्राइब. एंड शेड्यूल, एंड व्हाट इज द कास्ट? शेड्यूल कास्ट. These are the people, those who are living in the mainstream of the society but facing the problem of untouchability. Facing the problem of, तो उनको untouchability ला के mainstream of the society के अच्छे से part बना देना. Another, I said that another factor, another is OBC. And OBC किस लिए बनाया गया? Those who are feeling social backwardness, economic backwardness. Yes? तो उनको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? OBC. तो सिंपली इफ आई एम सेइंग दैट SC और ST आज के डेट में कौन है? तो ये सब चीजें हैं. क्वेश्चन आपको पेपर 2 में ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं जो मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, और पूरा ये सब चीज रटा दूंगा आपको. आई सेड दैट. लेकिन क्वेश्चन, और आप लास्ट ईयर्स के क्वेश्चन देखते चले. अभी मैं जो पढ़ाते जा रहा हूं, राइट डाउन एंड द वे दैट आई एम टीचिंग. लास्ट ईयर में जो भी कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट, एंडोजेनेटिक, एक्सोजेनेटिक फोर्स इन द डेक्कन प्लेट्यू, कुछ भी कुछ आया हो, आप आंसर्स लिखें एंड सबमिट मी. Schedule caste, SC, ST are right on the top and having some gravity. इसका मतलब फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर, C से क्लाइमेट, स्ट्रक्चर, क्लाइमेट, स्टेज, टाइम. कैन यू रिमेंबर? टोपोग्राफी, ग्रेविटी. टोपोग्राफी, ग्रेविटी. अंडरस्टूड इट? एंड दे बिकम DSP. क्या बन गई है? They easily become BSP. DSP नहीं है, लेकिन they can easily become BSP. B for biota, B for biota, S for space, P for process, and the last it is itself a rate of endogenic force. So which are the 10 factors controlling the landform? Tell me fast. Structure, climate, stage, time, topography, gravity, biota, and space, then time, and then I said the process, and then rate of endogenic forces. Understood? अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं यहाँ पर स्ट्रक्चर. अभी मैंने सारा कुछ समझाया था. ये वी आर कमिंग ऑन टू द स्ट्रक्चर. सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रक्चर है इसके अंदर में. And the structure has been divided into tectonic, physical and chemical. ये नोट्स में है आपके. फर्स्ट डे आपको नोट्स दिया गया था, उसी नोट्स में. It is there in the notes. I said that tectonic, physical and chemical. What is the tectonic? What is the meaning of tectonic? Raise your hand. What is the meaning of tectonic? Tectonism means construction or, and perhaps you know that when the plates are diverging, new crust is forming, yes or not? And it is known as a constructive margin. It is known as what? Divergent boundary is known as constructive margin. And when the plates are converging, the old plate is what? Destroying. Convergence के समय में old plate क्या होता है? So construction and destruction is known as tectonism. Construction and destruction is known as tectonism. And when the two plates slip past each other, transform, neither construction nor destruction, conservation is there, therefore it is known as conservative margin. तो यहां पर हम लोग देखेंगे टेक्टोनिज्म, और टेक्टोनिज्म में कहां पे हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? फॉल्ट कर चुके हैं हम लोग, प्लेट के मूवमेंट से फॉल्ट का फॉर्मेशन, फोल्ड, यस, क्रैक्स, फीसर्स, दैट इज एन क्रैक जब ज्यादा बड़ा हो जाए और ऐसे रहे, फीसर्स, डाइवर्जेंस के समय फीसर, विच आर आई सेड दैट फॉल्ट, फोल्ड, cracks, fissures and much, and then it has gone down the rift, understood? And then I said that joint, and then I said that these are what? Bedding plates. So which are the tectonic structures are there? Faults, folds, fault, folds, understood it? And after that I said that cracks, fissures, rift. And then I said yes, bedding plane, joints and bedding plane. These are the, I said the tectonic. Physical में क्या देखेंगे हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर में? I said hardness, density, how much rock is massive, and then I said that permeability, porosity, solubility and texture. ये हर चीज को हमें पढ़ना है. Which are the factors under the physical? Yes, tell me. Hardness, density, rock massiveness, permeability, porosity, solubility and textures. Okay, these are under the which one? I said that physical. Just मैं एक ऐसे ही आपसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ. I said that now tell me, fold rock or fault rock is more prone to weather. Which rock is? Just I am telling you. क्योंकि weathering क्या करता है? Weathering is an exogenous forces is trying to break the rock slowly and slowly in its situ and then टूट कर नीचे चला जाता है. So who will weather fast? Fold or fault? Just मैं आपको इंटरेस्ट दे रहा हूँ so that आप याद करें. Who will? यहीं पे तो आपको लिखना है. The answer that we have to write. हाँ, दोनों एक ही जैसे हैं, फॉल्ट या फोल्ड? फोल्ड, फॉल्ट, फोल्ड. यस, टेल मी. यस, अभिलाषा चतुर्वेदी. It is fault. Fault is in a crack, and in the crack water easily can go inside. जा सकता है? Yes or not? When the water will go inside, they will do hydration. What they will do? Hydration, जो physical chemical weathering में मैंने पढ़ाया. Hydration फैलेगा. Then there is an, I said that solution. If there is a dissolved rock, they will dissolve. And then I said that there will be, yes, hydrolysis. If the quartz and feldspar is there, they will get hydrolyzed and they will convert into sand silt. And if the feldspar is there, they will convert into clay. Yes. And if the crack is there, there can be a chance of, I said that carbonation if the limestone is there below. And in the, what I said, that oxidation, so easy prone to weather. And then fold, listen me. And in the fold, what is there? Compressional force make the molecules to be get together. Therefore, it is only surfacial feature can be weathered fast. Internal, आप नीचे से खाली कर दोगे तो ऊपर से collapse हो जाएगा. So which one is more prone to? So just I said that each and everyone will see. Because you have to write and answer the question comes, then how you can be. And ये सारा आपको क्या, आपको कहाँ पे हेल्प करेगा? डेविस, बैंक एंड ऑल. कि कहाँ पे कौन से फीचर बन जाएंगे. I said that. So याद हो गया ये? Yes. One I said that tectonic, another I said that physical, another I said that in the chemical. In the chemical we have to see that is in a rock types, arrangement of rocks, and we have to see composition of minerals, and then we have to see crystallization. ये सारी चीजें मैंने बताई हैं, crystallization and all. And thereafter I said rock types. Which are the types of rock? Igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. Which is the primary rock on the earth's surface? Igneous rock is a what? Primary rock on the earth's surface. And in the oceanography I will teach you. I said that suppose मैंने क्या बोला? 4600 million years ago, the earth is full of magma, completely covered with the volcanic eruptions. Yes, tell me, it is covered with completely what? Volcanic eruption. How many years ago? 4600 million years ago. And everywhere volcanic eruption was taking place. And through the volcanic eruption, carbon dioxide, water vapor, there is a sulfur oxides, there is an, I said that nitrogen oxides, H2S, different things are coming up. And then rainfall is also the best too, and there is a water they used to convert into cloud, and rainfall is continued. And in the next 700 million years, by 3900 million years, what happened? Slowly and slowly, the upper surface solidified. Upper surface solidified. And when the upper surface solidified, I said that they are like this. Some portion get what? Some portion get depressed.